Hi, everybody. I'm back. About 4.5 years ago, we talked about how great pop-on veneers were, and I'm here to continue on with that. It probably would have been a lot longer because I took good care of them. I recently had a mishap with the garbage disposal, and that's what happened. So I had to order some spare veneers. So let's talk about Pop on Veneers. They're great customer service and they're great all around product. We're going to do a recap 4 years ago, a little over 4 years ago. Talk to you about how great Pop on Veneers were. I have a multitude of dental issues and some things that are gonna cost a lot of money to take care of. And also, I know I'm not alone in this. I know that there are a lot of people who are scared of the dentist, just like I am. I probably need false teeth, and it scares the dickens out of me to have all of my teeth yanked out, having to put 3 new pairs of dentures in while my gums heal. Just not gonna do. I'm sorry. Well, but we'll do that eventually. But just can't do that right now. So, a couple weeks ago, I had a little mishap with the garbage disposal. My bottoms were fine, um, but I had to order another pair. These, the broken ones, still fit. Uh, a little bit. So I can still cover a few things, I can still talk, but this was not going to do it. So I called up, actually, I went to the website. They had my impressions, they had everything all set. All I had to do was press play, enter, and they were on their way. It took a little less than 2 weeks. I mean, I was surprised at how fast I got them. Um, and I got them UPS in the mail. And I wanted to say that these are wonderful. I mean, it's been 4 years, so there's been some improvements, but these are fantastic. Let me show you what they look like. Mm, look at this. I mean, this is just, the definition is better. The fit is better. So, like I said, always have your spares. It only took 2 weeks with these, and it was great, but these are going bye bye. Now, I am going to order another spare set just in case, because I'm the person that goes to work and about halfway there remember, oh, my teeth aren't in my mouth. So I have to turn around and go back. If I have a spare set just to put in my purse, it would be great. Again, Pop Over is just fantastic. Customer service is great. I had to call and just ask a couple of questions, and they assured me everything would be fine. And if not, if I wasn't satisfied, send them on back. We'll do it over again. So you guys, get your pop-on veneers, get your spares. It's well worth the money. Like I said, if I hadn't had this mishap, it would have been maybe 5 or 6 years, that I had them. And these are fantastic. People compliment me on my smile all the time. People say, okay, can you eat with them? Yes, you can. You can eat with them. Mmm. Can you eat everything? No, you can't. Stay away from sticky foods like caramels. Stay far away from hard foods like, oh, really real good candy coated almonds that are so hard. Stay away from those. Hard candy. Protect your teeth. I mean, this is your smile. This is cosmetic. You could buy a $500 pair of shoes and then go climb trees and, you know, go in the mud. You can do that, but, but why? But like I said, I've gone out to eat. I've had ribs. I've had steak. You can mess up a charcuterie board. It's fantastic. You can do lots of things with your teeth. And most of the things that you can do, and the best thing you can do with your pop-on veneers is have a beautiful smile. And I still have one. Thank you, thank you, thank you, pop-on veneers.